Hello, my dear friends. Well, today I'm explaining these words for you. Okay, these are, este and esta are like this in English. Okay, so they both mean this. Okay, this. But in Spanish, when we say este, we are saying the gender. We are implying the gender. Este, for example, is for male. Okay? So este is for male. Okay? And esta is for female. Okay. Well, here we are. Okay? So that is the main point in Spanish, how you have to make the difference, well, note the difference and check the difference between este and esta. Este is exactly like this in English. Esta is also the same, like this in English. But with este, we are talking about a male person, animal, or a place or an object, a male noun. It may be a male noun, okay? But when we use esta, we are talking about a female noun, okay? So we are going to write some sentences with these words, okay? Este, for example, look at this. Este es un marcador. Este es un marcador. What do you say in English? How do you say in English these words? Okay, so it is this is a marker. This is a marker. Okay, one more. This is, este es un borrador. Este es un borrador. In English, what do we say? We say, this is an eraser. Okay? So, for male nouns, you are going to use este. Okay? Now we are going to write two examples with female nouns. Okay? Let's start. Esta es mi computadora. ¿Ok? Esta es mi computadora. In English, what do we say? We say also this is my computer. And that's it. Okay? One example more. Esta es mi camisa. Okay? In English, this is my shirt. Okay? So, as you can see, we have the ones which are male and the ones which are female. Marcador is male or masculine. Okay? We have another masculine, borrador. But we have the feminine. The feminine or female, we have computer, computadora. And we have camisa. Camisa is female also. Okay, now we are going to check. We are talking about things also. We are talking about things that are close to me. They are near to me. Like in English, when we speak about singular things that are close to me, singular things that are near to me. Okay, near me. Okay? Well, so now we are going to create examples with these ones. Okay, well, so we stop checking this because you already know it. Okay, great. Let's continue with these words. Okay? Then now we have that also here we have ese is for something that is far. Okay? Aquel, guess what? Is also for something that is far. Okay? So, but this is far. Okay? This is singular. Also singular. Far. Far and masculine. Okay? Or male. Masculine. Okay, so with ese and aquel, we are talking about nouns that are far from me, far, that they are singular and that they are masculine. Okay? Okay. In English, we have that. We have that. Ese, aquel is equal to that. Okay? Okay, let's write our examples. Okay. Esa lámpara es blanca. Esa lámpara es blanca. In this case, like in English, I cannot touch it. I'm just showing that that lamp is white. Okay? Well, obviously, let's translate. That lamp is white. Okay? Okay. Okay. That doll, that, esa muñeca, esa, oh, I'm so sorry. Esa muñeca, esa muñeca está vieja. Esa muñeca está vieja. Okay, I'm talking about dolls. I'm talking about this doll. So, but this is that because it's far. It's far from me. I cannot touch it now. Okay, so esa muñeca está vieja. In Spanish, well, in English, that doll is old. Okay, that doll is old. Esa muñeca está vieja. Okay, so as you could see, they are what? Singular, far, and I'm sorry, no, I made a mistake here. I'm so sorry. I made the examples for feminine. Oh my god. Okay, so we were talking about esa and aquella is the same. So we can write it. Let me check the examples. Esa lámpara es blanca. That lamp is white. Esa. Aquella, okay, is for feminine. Feminine. Okay. Lamp is feminine. Okay. And muñeca is feminine too. Okay? So let's write the examples for ese o aquel. Okay? Ese o aquel is also singular. Well, this is. I'm so sorry, guys. I wrote the examples for esa and aquella is the same. It might be esa or it might be aquella. Okay? But we could talk about, I don't know, aquel marcador, aquel, for these ones. Okay, for these ones we have esa lámpara, it was, it's also equal to that, yeah, it's far, and also singular, okay, singular, and feminine. Okay, so esa and aquella. It could be esa or it could be aquella. It doesn't matter. It will be exactly the same. It could be esa or it could be aquella. Aquella lámpara es blanca. Esa lámpara es blanca. I cannot touch it. Okay, esa muñeca está vieja. Esa muñeca está vieja. O aquella muñeca está vieja. Okay? For ese or aquel, we could write some examples like this one. Ese calendario es bonito. Ese, and this is for singular, for masculine. Okay? This was for singular, for feminine. Singular for feminine is this. Singular for masculine is this. Ese calendario. Oh, sorry. Ese calendario. Oh, what am I doing? So sorry. Ese calendario es bonito. Bonito. Okay? That calendar is nice. That calendar is nice. Okay? Ese libro es interesante. Ese libro es interesante. Ese libro es interesante. That book is interesting. It might be aquel also. Also it might be, oh, so sorry. It might be aquel. Aquel calendario es bonito. That calendar is nice. Ese libro es interesante. That book is interesting. Or aquel libro es interesante. Remember that aquel y ese and ese are the same. Okay, well, that's all for today, my dear friends. I hope you didn't get mixed up because I made a whole disaster in here. But remember, ese and aquel is for singular for masculine. Esa and aquella are for singular for feminine. Okay, and here we have our examples. Any question, please write them there on the comments, and don't forget to like. If you didn't like, do something like this. Subscribe. See you in the next video.